Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So now we are going to see transfer statements in Python. So what is a transfer statement? Transfer statements are bypass the flow of execution to the outside of the loop. We have two transfer statements. One is break, another one is continue. Now we can discuss with some examples. For I in range of 10, print I. So what is the output? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If I equals to 4, break. So what that means? First I value equals to 0. 0 equals to 4? No. So we execute this instruction. Prints 0. Next I becomes 1. 1 equals to 4? No, it is false. So we execute the print I. That means 1 printed. Next it becomes 2. 2 equals to 4? No. So print I. Then I becomes 3. 3 equals to 4? No. So print I value. Now I becomes 4. 4 equals to 4? Yes. So break. So what is a break? So break is control the flow of the execution from inside to outside of the loop. That means now we cannot execute these instructions. This is the end of this for loop. Okay. Now we can see the same example with continue. So what is a continue statement means? Continue statements can skip the instructions. Skip the instructions. How means? For example, I in range of 10. 0 equals to 4. False. So print I 0. Next it becomes 1. 1 equals to 4. False. So print I. In next time 2. False. Print I. Next it becomes 3. 3 equals to 4. False. Print here. Next 4 equals to 4. Yes, it is true. Then we enter into this loop, and continue means the remaining instructions can skip for this iteration only. It goes to here and increment by 5. I becomes 5. Now it checks 5 equals to 4. False. It prints I. That means we skip only this 4. Remaining is printed as usual. I hope you all understand what is the difference of break and continue. So break is nothing but break the loop. But continue means just it skips the remaining instructions and again it move on to the loop. So this is the example. For break we get this output. For continue we get this output. That means the 4 is skipped here.
So now we are going to see transfer statements. What are the transfer statements? One is break, another one is continue. We discussed this. So for example, for I in range of 15. So I in range of 15 means what is the expected output? It print 1 comma 15 means it prints up to 1 to 14. We check that it prints up to 1 to 14. Now I want to break this loop when I equals to 4. So how I can check that? By using if statement. I equals to 4. Then I can write break. Execute this. What is the output? 1, 2, 3. It prints only 1, 2, 3. When I becomes 4, the loop will be terminated. So next, instead of break, I am using continue. What is the expected output? it skips the remaining instructions. That means it prints 1 2 3 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. That means it skips only when I equals to 4. You check that. After 3, then it prints 5. Okay.